I see grass all green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies so blue and clouds away. The bright blaze the day, the dark say goodnight. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors in the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shake a hand, say they how do you do? They do really say I love you. I heard babies cry, I watch them grow. They are much more, and I never know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I think to myself, what a wonderful world.